If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.
In acceptance and commitment therapy, after identifying and clarifying values, the next crucial step is to translate these values into specific, actionable goals. This process ensures that the values don't just remain abstract concepts, but serve as a foundation for meaningful change and direction in a person's life. Let's delve into how values-based goal setting is conducted in ACT and explore its significance in fostering a purposeful and fulfilling life. Setting goals based on values helps clients create a life that is not only successful by external standards, but also deeply satisfying and aligned with their personal beliefs and desires. These goals act as tangible milestones that guide individuals toward living out their values in everyday actions. This approach contrasts with setting goals based purely on societal expectations, which may not contribute to genuine happiness or fulfillment. Specificity and clarity. Goals should be specific enough to provide clear direction. For example, if a client values health, a specific goal might be to exercise for 30 minutes at least 3 times a week. Measurable and time-bound. Goals need to be measurable and have a defined time frame to ensure that progress can be tracked. This also provides a sense of accomplishment as milestones are reached. Aligned with values. Each goal should directly reflect an underlying value. This alignment ensures that the goals are meaningful and motivating even when challenges arise. Flexible and adaptable. Goals should be flexible enough to accommodate changes in circumstances or insights. The ability to adapt goals as needed is crucial in maintaining resilience and motivation. The SMART criteria. Using SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound criteria helps structure goals that are practical and focused. This method ensures that goals are well-defined and aligned with personal values. The vision board. Creating a vision board can help clients visualize their values and the goals associated with them. This visual representation can be a constant reminder of what they are working towards. Values to action plans. Developing detailed action plans that link values to specific goals helps in breaking down the larger objectives into smaller, manageable steps. These plans should include daily or weekly actions that progress towards the larger goals. Consider a client, Elena, who has identified connection with nature as a core value. To translate this into a practical goal, her therapist might help her use the SMART criteria to set up a goal of hiking once every 2 weeks. They would then create an action plan detailing how Elena will prepare for her hikes, select trails, and schedule them to fit into her busy life. Elena's therapist might also encourage her to keep a journal of her hiking experiences, which aligns with her value and reinforces her commitment to her goal. Each hike not only increases her physical health, but also fulfills her deeper need for connection with nature, enhancing her overall well-being. After setting values-based goals in acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, the next critical phase involves planning and following through with commitments. This step ensures that the goals are not just aspirational, but actively pursued and integrated into daily life. Effective planning and commitment strategies are essential for maintaining motivation and overcoming obstacles that may arise during the journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Commitment to action is what transforms the conceptual work of values clarification and goal setting into tangible results. By planning specific actions and committing to them, clients solidify their dedication to living according to their values. This process also helps them develop resilience against setbacks and fosters a sense of agency and self-efficacy. Action planning, creating detailed plans that outline the steps needed to achieve goals. These plans should include when, where, and how each action will be taken, making the process as concrete as possible. Anticipating barriers, identifying potential obstacles in advance, and developing contingency plans to address them. This proactive approach reduces the risk of being derailed by unforeseen challenges. Regular review and adjustment. Goals and plans should not be static. Regularly reviewing progress and adjusting plans as necessary can accommodate changes in circumstances or insights, keeping the process dynamic and responsive. Accountability mechanisms. Setting up systems of accountability, such as regular check-ins with a therapist or a support group, can significantly enhance commitment. Sharing goals with others who can provide support and encouragement makes it harder to back away from commitments. Celebrating milestones. Recognizing and celebrating progress, even if small, can boost motivation and reinforce the value of the goals being pursued. This practice helps sustain long-term commitment by acknowledging the effort and achievements along the way. Returning to our example of Elena, who committed to hiking to deepen her connection with nature, her therapist helps her implement these strategies by action planning. Elena maps out hiking trails close to her home and schedules specific dates and times for her hikes, adding them to her calendar. Anticipating barriers. They discuss potential challenges, such as bad weather or busy weeks at work, and agree on alternative plans, such as visiting a local nature reserve or botanical garden. Regular review. Elena agrees to discuss her progress in each therapy session, which helps her stay focused and make necessary adjustments to her plan. Accountability. She joins a local hiking group and shares her goals with the group, creating a community of support. Celebrating milestones. After each month of consistent hiking, Elena and her therapist take time to acknowledge her commitment and discuss the benefits she's experienced, reinforcing her motivation to continue. Planning and following through with commitments are crucial for actualizing the values identified in ACET. These commitments are not just tasks to be completed, but are expressions of deeper life values that enhance personal meaning and satisfaction. By systematically addressing each step of the commitment process, clients like Elena can transform their lives in alignment with their core values, leading to lasting change and fulfillment. This structured approach ensures that values-based goals become an integral part of their daily lives, leading to greater psychological flexibility and well-being.